and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lina Pavlova and today we are doing Refashion Project episode 4. For today's project I'm using this jumpsuit. I want to fix a pant leg that was too short for me. For this project I will need a seam ripper, a sewing machine and a fabric. I want to show you how to lengthen pants with adding a fabric. For this project I want to upcycle an old leather jacket. This piece of a leather fabric I will use as a cuff for my pants. Before we start, let's watch the short jumpsuit photo review. If you don't have one yet in your wardrobe, I encourage you to get it. As you can see, they are different prints and shapes, but perfect for any occasion. Now let's use the seam ripper to open the seam. This is what it will look like after you seam rip it open. This is my old leather jacket. This piece of a leather fabric I will use as a cuff for my pants. Now I'm preparing lining for it. First we need to sew the sides. Now let's sew them together. This is how it's going to look like from the outside. Now let's sew pants and the cuff together. Now let's do a top stitch all around. This is how it looks like from the outside. I am delighted with the result. Now we have to iron it first. Now let's take a look at the final transformation. I hope you like this easy project. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.